Batman, Robin, I got another case. What is it, Officer Clawhauser? Well, Batman, you see, there's a big turtle thing in the city. I better go tell Robin. Alright, I'll be at my desk. Robin. Yeah, Batman? Time to go to Gotham City. There's a big turtle. How did the turtle get in? I don't know. But we better go. Yeah, let's go. A couple minutes later. Ace, what are you doing here? Why are you here? You found the turtle? You can speak, dog. I can speak. I'm Batman. Oh, right. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Follow Ace. Batman. What is that? It's so huge. Look at the size. It's so huge. Who comes here? Ah! Get out of here now. It's a Blastoise. You play Pokemon Go too? Just try to get it. Alright. I'm gonna use my batarangs to tie his legs together. And you try to distract him. Alright, Batman. Yeah. Get up! Batman. I'm Blastoise, one of the villains. I work for Lord Lauren. So get out of here. Or else I'll shoot you with my cannon. No! Batman, don't! Hey? Yeah! You're next, Robin. Let me get my cannon reloaded. And... yeah! Dirt at last! Oh no! Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this clip on Lauren Galaxy. Please subscribe. Maybe I'll make you my helper. Subscribe to Lauren Galaxy.